clocks run fastest in their own reference frame. And that's what you meant by time is shorter in the moving frame. Okay? So based upon this time dilation, we made that really tricky point about biological clocks and mechanical clocks, right? If you have a deviation in ticks and tocks between your light clock and your wristwatch, that constitutes what?
You'd be able to determine like internally the time.
Yes. Internally, you're able to determine your relative motion to some absolute reference frame,
Yes.
which is not allowed. Einstein said there is no inertial reference frame. There is no ether.
Okay.
And that applies equally as well to biological systems, like bacteria. If you know the lifetime or the half-life of bacteria very well, to an incredibly precise number, and you continue watching them, and they grow and die the same, and yet your light clock changes, that's impossible. Because that constitutes an internal measurement, an internal observable, that tells you your relative motion.
So you yourself can determine, but some observer can't.
Yes, you have to interact with the outside world. That's the only way you can do it. Similar to you guys riding on the train. Cindy's riding on the train. There's no experiment you can do internally to find out your relative velocity.
You have to look at something.
You have to look at something else.